Okay, so we're getting prepped to pull string through the conduit that was placed. I'm here to kind of finish up the conduit work and then hang the aerial line. This is about 150 meter transitional drop. MPT's right there, about an 80 meter aerial span, and then we're going through this huge trench with 2-inch teleduct inside, going into a crawl space. And some backfilling. Just realized I forgot the conduit. So I have my guy at the other end with the string. And I think we got it. Yep. That was easy, so that's how you suck twine through. As soon as the vacuum starts to whine, it means it's got it. I got it! Cut that down a little bit. I should have done this first, but I forgot the conduit. So I'll be right back. I'm going to extend the conduit up, and then we're going to hang the drop and get it pulled through. Okay, so I brought my truck over. Luckily there's a lot of access here. Let me see if I can get this conduit to fit. Shut that through. Perfect. So for code, teleduct has to be below grade, the orange stuff, and schedule 40 needs to be above because it's UV protected. So I'm gonna get this strapped to the pole and then uncoil the drop and get it hung up. Should be pretty good. So we got the conduit put up, saddles put in place, and we're gonna take this down. It's not in use. Yeah. Take the whole line down. Got this ready to pull through. Make some good progress. I love this thing. Milwaukee air tip, 2-inch conduit. There we go. One. So these are AFL drops. They work a little different. They try to replicate the Corning MPTs. And the people who place them always place them so poorly, so close to the pole, gives us no room to play with. And if you're wondering why I'm behind it, because I'm working from over there, my truck's here, and there's a little gully there. So I have to use my 32 footer to reach, which is fine, but I just don't want to use it. This is a little sketch. I think once I cut this, a lot of tension is going to release. That was fun. I had a feeling that would happen. Create a new path straight with the hydro. Should be good. Okay, I'm gonna go down, cut these, come back up, cut those, and hang up over there. We'll see you over there. Okay, back up the other pole. Just cleaning up those old copper lines. So for these long poles, what I like to do, quite a bit of experience with this, so might not be as easy for others. What you could do is put the line up here and have someone pull at a long angle. You don't want to be tight because you can break the fiber. So you kind of get it to where it's up in the air. Gotta be careful, there's a lot of weight on here. Probably at least 60 pounds, maybe more of weight. So as long as you can hold it with one hand, you get that on with my index finger. Don't trust that. I'm gonna have to put it up here, but I want to get the height that I want. That's pretty good. And then you hook it on. Does that look good? At this point, if you wanted to get this tighter, would have either had to move the hanger further back before I tried to bite, but it would have weighed that much more. You'd be surprised how much moving this from here to there, would probably add an exponential amount. It's a lot. It was almost enough to pull the ladder off, but we're same kind of droop as the hydro, and we're about the same height of the existing lines. This empty field is nothing. It's definitely above code. So hook is there. Gonna do our drip loop. Get rid of this actually. No need for this. Okay, beauty. So now I'm just gonna start saddling down the pole. The key with this, you want to try to line it up with the conduit below so you don't have issues down there. If you're a little bit off, correct. Sweet. And then we put the last saddle after we pull through. So don't create a king point, because if you saddle there, the drop's got to go in. Okay, now we're just going to unspool this and then get ready to pull. Okay, so we just unspooled what we need. We're almost done. Just take that back. Just go back. Oh no, around the tree. That would suck. Imagine we start pulling in. Okay, we'll prep the tracer. Make sure I'm not tangled. Remember, we only need like a couple feet of tracer, and then obviously all the slack has to get pulled. So just pull it all there, cut it to size, and then we'll bring it up. You're getting called, doggy. They're calling you. Poor doggy only has one eye. Not stuck against anything. Oh, that looks good. Got this. Beauty. I'll just wait for him to pull. Need this on my side. What I like to do is clamp this to the ladder. Okay, I'm just feeding the drop in. He's all the way under there in the crawl space. You'll see a piece of that after I'm done here. And she's done. I'm going to duct seal this up and then see you on the inside. Just a little clip showing the finishing touch. Actually, I just realized that this is twisted, which is going to bother me.
If you want, just in case you need anything.
Okay, I think I'll be good, but... Oh no, here's the rubber grommet. So these drops aren't the exact same profile as the other drops, so they don't strip the same. It's actually quite a pain. What you should do is grab both ends. Where my cutters go?
Weird.
Yeah, so all of this was mounted right here, and we removed it to make room. Cut some cables and stuff. All of this went to a boiler that he has out on the field, but he is taking it down. A lot of piping and stuff. Do you mind actually running and grabbing the drill?
Yep.
So we can just the square bit. We have screws here. And the duct seal. What happened to the open one? I gave it to you.
It's in the truck.
Okay. Yeah, bring the open one.
I figured you want that one.
Yeah. Okay, looking good. So I'm just gonna mark it up here. Find the info. Yeah, I find a lot of techs will only do like one here, like diagonal.
Opposite corners.
But like still, like there's 4 holes there. Put 4. Doesn't. And look, it's sitting better now with this. Boom, boom, boom. Boo doo 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 boom boom. Sweet. So now just need some duct seal. Sweet. Well, all should go for this one. Okay, so that's this job done. Thanks for watching. It was quite interesting. Luckily, the customer and his buddy did most of the work with the trenching. We just had to do some terminations at either end, do the standpipe and cut it down. But yeah, it was quite a big aerial span, boarding on 80-90 meters, and then another about 60 meters down into the crawl space that you'll see just before this. But yeah, it's fun. Got one more to do today.